Hi, everyone. This is Nolan Raffanello with the Raffanello Group at La Rosa Realty St. Augustine for a market update. And today I'm joined by Allie Penny of Envoy Mortgage. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsor, thebridgeoflions.com, St. Augustine's newest business directory. Allie, thanks for being here today. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Nolan. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you got it. Well, as you know, the market is off to another hot start this year.
For sure.
But
Yeah.
coming into this year, we had a little bit of a heads up that the Fed was going to raise the interest rates at least 3 times, but I'm feeling like it's going to be closer to 5. So
Yeah.
as of today, kind of where do the rates stand and what's your insight on the mortgage industry for our viewers here?
Yes. Well, thank you for having me, Nolan. Everybody, it's true. Everybody's hearing that rates are rising and a little bit nervous. And, after coming out of last year when we had the refi boom, rates were in the low twos and we were all super excited about rates. Now, by the end of the year, we were more about threes, and now the common three is becoming the common four. So, definitely rising. And then, but still, like I'm here to say, these are still historically low rates. The historical average is 6%. So, and I remember when
Wow,
my
I always
kids,
forget that.
yeah, yeah. I remember, my parents were telling me when, back in the 80s when they were buying their first home, there were rates in like the 14, 16, 18% range. It costs a
Wow.
lot to borrow money. So it's still very manageable to buy a home in this market. And I will say, like you said, the Fed's about to be, raising the rates again. We have
Right.
an increase coming. They're meeting the end of March. So that's when we expect the next increase. Every time they meet, things that shift a little bit, not just in mortgage rates, but in everything. So that's coming end of March. And then, as everyone knows, housing prices are continuing to increase as well.
Sure.
I mean, St. Johns County, we're expecting another 10 to 12% increase in the next year. And I think that's really conservative, to be honest. So I encourage you, if you're stalling because you're worried about rates, nothing's getting better for a little while. So I say do it now because we're fixing to have another increase on rates and prices. So call Nolan. He's awesome. He'll take care of you.
Oh,
And,
thank you.
yeah.
Well, Allie, you've been great with not only my own home purchase, but with clients that you've worked with as well for me. I will ask you before we sign off, if there's one common question you get from maybe a new potential home buyer coming to apply for a mortgage, what is a common question that you're hearing quite often right now?
Okay. They're just nervous. They're nervous about how much you have to put down and rates and all of that good stuff. We have lots of first-time home buyer programs. Probably the most common question I get is how much to put down because most first-time home buyers are cash poor. So we have a 3% down first-time home buyers program where all you have to do is just do a little home buyers counseling thing. It's an hour online, not very hard, but gives you some general knowledge. And then also there is the Florida bond program. If you have not very much money at all, there's that option. Yeah, so it's kind of like a second loan, but it's definitely worth it if it's the difference between getting a new home and not. And so I'll be glad to walk through that process with you as well.
Awesome. Allie, tell everyone where they can find you.
Yes, I'm Allie Penny with Envoy Mortgage. So you can find me at alliepenny.com. And my cell number is 901-552-6655.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for being here today. We
you,
appreciate
Nolan.
it. We'll do this again next month. Thank you guys for checking this out. Be sure to like and share the video. I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye.